Angel, you need to lose some weight. Come on, Dad. What are you crying for, huh? Don't cry.
She's a little quiet in the doctor's talk.
Yeah?
Babe, now, like, every time I bring you to the doctor, yeah, she's not like this. She's all, like, do what I, like, need her to do.
What's wrong?
Here's some more. You got it?
Angel, look up. Look your messy face.
You can't see. Well, Martha has her
Yeah.
8 ounces.
What?
No, 8 pounds.
I was like, what? The fuck?
I was like, hold on, that's alright.
I was like,
8
oh,
pounds,
shit.
and then her name is Messiah.
Messiah? Messiah, dude, that's a word.
This is like God's messenger. Messiah.
Messiah.
Messiah, like, dude, this like mostly guys have that name.
Messiah.
Messiah. Messiah.
Mika! Here's my tooth!
Is it Mexican Messiah?
Oh, Messiah.
Yeah, she said.
Messiah. I'm Messiah.
Is it a